Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you're all doing great. So today I'm back to share with you how I made this beautiful shawl, orange and burgundy summer colors, and also the V-stitch is perfect for summer. You can wear this shawl at night or even in the beach, it depends on you, but the stitch, as I said, it's perfect, easy to make and very quick. It's a repetition of one row throughout the work, nothing else, and the color change will be in a separate video if you wish to have a look. You'll find all the details at the end of the video, and there will be a linked written pattern for you to refer to as well. So if you want to see how to make it, stay tuned for the rest of the video. So for this tutorial I'm using medium worsted yarn acrylic and 6mm crochet hook. We'll start right away. I'm gonna start with a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 4. I'm gonna make 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook, and I'm gonna make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the same chain. So in the first row I've got 2 V-stitches. The next V-stitch the next row I'm gonna chain 3 and I'm gonna make a double V-stitch in the chain 1 stitch. Double V-stitch means 2 V-stitches, so double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and again double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. That means 2 V-stitches in the chain 1 space. So the beginning of each row will be 2 V-stitches in the chain 1 space and then 1 V-stitch in every space. So in the next space 1 V-stitch, and we end with a double crochet at the end of each row. And we start with chain 3. So here 1 double crochet at the end of the row, and now I'm gonna chain 3 and then start again with 2 V-stitches in the chain 1 space and 1 V-stitch in every space. So the chain 1 space of the V-stitch is here. This is the chain, the last double crochet. Nothing is worked over here. So 2 V-stitches in the chain 1 space. So you see it gets bigger in every row, and then you can see the chain, the double crochet at the end of every row. It looks neat when you go, you make it bigger. So I'm gonna continue the same way, starting the row with chain 3, then 2 V-stitches in the chain 1 space, and 1 V-stitch in every space, and a double crochet at the end of the row. So this is the shawl complete with both colors, orange and burgundy. The shawl measures at the end 161 centimeters large and 100 centimeters long. I have done total of 67 rows for this shawl, and it is 37 rows of orange and 30 rows of burgundy. You can find all the details in the written pattern linked in the description box. And this is the final look. Very easy to make. The color change video will be linked as well. And this is how it is. Perfect for summer. V-stitch triangular shawl. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.